Hello guys, this is Brad. Today I bought a new stock called TLTW. It seems it's safe and it shows that this ETF gives 19% dividend, which is phenomenal. So I decided to try. I just decided to buy 250 share first. And also I bought SCHD. Right now it gives 4% dividend and it will be serious as it goes down when it becomes 5% dividend. And just to let you know, I usually invest any stock giving dividend, and some of the stock gives IVR gives 21% dividend, but the major stock I bought is JEPI gives 9%, JEPQ gives 10%, 11%. Yeah, I usually invest in dividend stock.